Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 6.2. Now question is, find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following diagrams. Students, in this question 6 figures are given and in each figure there is a triangle and measure of exterior angle of the triangle is given. Measure of one interior opposite angle is given and we have to find out measure of the another interior opposite angle. Now students, in first figure, measure of exterior angle is equal to 115 degree. Measure of first interior opposite angle is 50 degree and we have to find out second interior opposite angle. Students, we know that in any triangle, measure of exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. I repeat, in any triangle, measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Therefore, in this triangle, these two angles are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, sum of these two angles is equal to exterior angle. Therefore, we write here x plus 50 degree is equal to 115 degree. Now, this is a simple equation now. This 50 degree transposed to from LHS to RHS. Therefore, its sign will change. Therefore, x is equal to 115 minus 50 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 115 and minus 50 is equal to 65. Therefore, measure of angle x is equal to 65 degree. Students, here we can use short method also. That is, subtract this interior opposite angle from the exterior angle. Then we will get the measure of another interior opposite angle. I repeat, if you subtract this interior opposite angle from the exterior angle, then we will get the measure of second interior opposite angle. Therefore, x is equal to exterior angle, that is 115 degree minus this 50 degree. Therefore, answer of this question is 115 minus 50 is equal to 65. Therefore, measure of angle x or value of x is equal to 65. Now, in second figure, exterior angle 100 degree, one interior opposite angle 70 degree, and we have to find out measure of x. Therefore, here also same method. X is equal to 100 minus 70. 100 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, value of x or measure of x in this figure is equal to 30 degree. Now, in last figure, third figure, here exterior angle 125 degree. Here, first interior opposite angle, that is x, that is unknown, and here measure of this angle is not given, but meaning of this symbol is 90 degree. Therefore, measure of this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, subtract this angle from exterior angle. Therefore, x is equal to 125 minus 90 degree. Therefore, is equal to 35 degree. Therefore, here unknown angle or measure of x is equal to 35 degree. Now, in fourth figure, Exterior angle 120, interior opposite angle 60 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 minus 60. Therefore, here x is equal to 120 minus 60 degree is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, measure of this angle x is equal to 60 degree. Now, in fifth figure, you observe here this 80 degree angle is exterior angle and this interior opposite angle, and we have to find out measure of second interior opposite angle. Therefore, x is equal to exterior minus given interior opposite angle. Therefore, x is equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, measure of this angle x is equal to 50 degree. Now, last figure. Here, this angle is exterior angle, that is 75 degree, and given interior opposite angle is 35, and we have to find out measure of x. Therefore, by using short method, this angle subtracted from exterior angle, x is equal to 75 minus 35 is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, measure of this angle x is equal to 40 degree. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.